If you're looking to add some handmade fashion to your wardrobe, I've got 5 stunning crochet dress patterns to share with you. These crochet dress kits are perfect for spring and summer. First up, we have the Queen of the Night maxi dress by 2 of Wands. This dress is an absolute showstopper, perfect for those summer nights out. The pattern is beautifully detailed, and you'll be using Color Theory yarn to bring this dress to life. The yarn's soft texture and vibrant colors will make this maxi dress a standout piece in your wardrobe. Next up, we have the Summer Diamonds dress by One Dog Wolf. This dress features a lovely diamond pattern that's both elegant and playful. It's made with true blue yarn, which is incredibly soft and has a beautiful sheen. Perfect for warm weather, this dress is lightweight and comfortable. You can easily wear it for a casual day out or dress it up for an evening event. Moving on, we have the Drury Lane dress by Vladimir Tarakin. This dress is a classic beauty with a timeless design. Made with kobu yarn, it offers the wonderful blend of cotton and bamboo, making it breathable and perfect for summer. This dress has a lovely drape and feels amazing against the skin. This pattern is definitely a must-try for any crochet enthusiast. Fourth on our list is the Golden Hour Sundress by Originally Lovely. This dress is the epitome of summer fashion. With its relaxed fit and charming design, it's ideal for those sunny days. You'll be using 24/7 cotton yarn for this project, which is durable and comes in a variety of vibrant colors. This yarn is perfect for a dress that you'll wear all season long. Last but not least, we have the Tulip Square dress by Wilmade. This dress features beautiful tulip motifs and is made with kobu yarn just like the Drury Lane dress. The combination of cotton and bamboo in this yarn gives this dress a lovely soft feel and a nice drape. It's perfect for both casual and semi-formal occasions. The tulip design adds a unique touch that'll make this dress a favorite in your wardrobe. Don't forget to check out the links in the description box to purchase the yarn and get a complimentary pattern. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more crochet inspiration.